Hi guys, and today I'm gonna try to quickly explain unions before heading off into templates, which are a lot cooler. Unions are a bit old, so I don't even know if I should cover them, but I guess you should know how to use them and stuff like that. So I included IOStream, the usual namespace std, declare my main function, which will go here, and then I'm gonna have I don't know, let's use get char as always. So we need see input and output, the constructor. Now we put get here and return 0. So that's good. So let's declare a union. And a union is basically a conjunction of data types, such as a structure or a class. Well, no, not exactly, sorry, but the difference between a structure and a union is that the union shares the computer memory between all of the objects inside the union. So let's make a new union, I don't know, union numbers, right? And inside this union we'll have string inside the union numbers, int first, float second, double third. So what I did by declaring this union is I said I want a block of data, and this block of data could be graphically represented like this, and say this is a byte of data, right? And an integer on my computer I think takes 4 bytes. So the first 4 bytes belong to the integer, but a float I believe takes 8 bytes if I'm not wrong. So here's my integer, here's my 4 bytes, my first 4 bytes, but my float takes up this memory. So if I declare the integer and then declare float on top of it, it's going to overwrite the integer because it's using the same memory. Same as if here is the continuation, and I don't know, I can't count 16 here to 16, but the double would take up the whole space of this. So this could be, if I this would be the integer, this would be the whole thing. I mean, sorry, this thing, something like this would be the float, and the whole thing would be the double. So it's gonna share the memory. That's useful for if you're on a low memory computer and you need to use 3 data types. You could say union my union, or you don't have to declare one. So here you could say my union first, my union first equals 5. Cout my first is, and then you say my union first. So that's good. Now let's declare my union. Let's declare a double. Third equals, oops, and cout third is my union third. Oh, sorry, let's put an endl here and endl there, just so we can separate them into lines. And after this I'm gonna put, once again, first is. So let's run this program, and see, the first is 5, and when I declare, let's just make this smaller a bit. Here it says first is 5. This is when I declared the union, my first integer in the union as 5. So now when I look it up and when I see put it into the output stream, it shows up as 5, and that's what it's supposed to do. Now I declare my union third, which is a double. Now remember, the double overwrites the memory of the first. So now, when I see out the double, it gives me the correct answer, but when I see out the first, it gives me the first 4 bytes of the double, which doesn't really work with the other 4 bytes, without the other 4 bytes. So now it's kind of messed up, and so you can't, keep that in mind with using unions. Now, why would you use unions? Well, if you have, say, an array of 100 data types, so say you need 100 and I need 100, and say I don't know what I'm going to be using, so let's make this example simply. Cout choose 1 for int, 2 for float, 3 for double. So, and now we put int choice, cint choice. If you could put a switch choice, just put a switch statement here, choice case 1, and I want to do, say, so int, I want to say numbers first, I'll try to initialize it with a simple, so case 2 numbers second, sorry, case 3 numbers third, and we'll put breaks here. And let's just let's just cout number 1 is numbers first. Let's pick an element from inside. Same thing with all the other ones. So 2 more. So numbers 2, 3 is numbers second, third, and let's put an endl everywhere. And simple as that. So if you don't know which data type you're using, let's see, it doesn't allow me to assign it like that. So now let's put number first 26, right, equals 0. So again, 1 second. Oh right, sorry, we have to put my union here, which my union, so because we declared the union. And let's do this, sorry, here also, and here. And now sorry, once. Okay, I changed all of them to my union, and now say want 3, and well, they're all initialized to 0, so let's put 1, 1, 1, and now let's put 2. So now 2 overwrote some of the memory of 1, 1 went crazy, and 3 still 0 because it didn't overwrite the 3 memory. Okay, thank you for listening to this lesson.